Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another video of Python course for beginners, and in this video we will learn about identity operators and membership operators. So first of all, what is identity operators? So basically there is two identity operators, that is and is not. So there is two identity operators, that is and is not, but these are bothly same to the equal to or not equal to. We use is operator to check if the two variables are the same or not, and we use is not to check if both the variables are not the same. So this is like equal to, and this is like not equal to. So let's take example. First create two variables, that is number 1 10, number 2 20. So let's check number 1 is number 2. So it will also return the boolean value, that is true or false. So if number 1 is number 2, it means number 1 is equal to number 2, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So let's run this. So it's showing false because number 1 is not equal to number 2, and if I do this 10, then both are the same. So it's returning true because number 1 is number 2, it means number 1 is equal to number 2. Let's check not. So number 1 is not number 2, so it means number 1 is not equal to number 2, but it will return false because both are the same numbers, so it's showing false. And if these are different numbers, then number 1 is not number 2, so it will return true value, so it's showing true. So these are the identity operators. Now let's move to the membership operators. Membership operators. So membership operators is in and not in. So we use in and not in to check some specific string or text or any character in other string. So if I have a string that is name programmer, and other is text hello, this is dear programmer, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's check these. We write name in text. So basically it will check if the name, that is programmer, is available in the text string. So it will check if the programmer string is available in this. So if the programmer is available in that string, then it will return true. So let's run this. So it's showing true because programmer is available in the data text string. So if I write Alex and let's run this, so it's showing false because Alex is not in a text string, so name in a text is false. So if I write a dear, it will also show the true. So you can use them to search for any string or any characters or any name when you create your uh, a bigger project. So now let's check not in. So not in opposite to that in. So if the some string is not available in text, then it will return true. So in this case the deer is available in the text string, so it will return false. So if there is a string that is Alex and Alex is not available in text, so it will check if name not in text, so the name is not available in text, then it will return true. So we use in to check some string if available in other string, and we use not in to check if the string is not available in some string. If that is not available, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So that's all for today. We will learn more about Python in next videos.